I am, buried behind all these totes and boxes of Christmas decorations. These are all from last year. By the way, if we haven't met before, I'm Nina Taylor from Niagara Falls, Canada. Welcome to my channel, Expression and Style. So as I was saying, these are all from last year. But I sneakily went into my local Goodwill and I found some real gems. Why I say sneakily, is my husband thinks we have too much Christmas decor, so we shouldn't be buying anymore. But you know how it is when you walk into a thrift store and you find a real gem, you don't want to leave it behind. So that's exactly what happened to me. Okay, let me show you. I'll share just a couple of things with you. So I found this trumpet horn. It's so beautiful, and it's brass, and all it has is these. I'm not a fan of these, but I'm going to remove these, and maybe I'll use it just as is, or maybe I'll add some greenery and ribbon and bows to it and hang it as a wreath. Don't know yet. Then I found this house. This was $13, a little bit more than what I would usually pay, but it works, it lights up, and it's beautiful. So then all I'll do is paint the sides, maybe, and that'll be it. Then I found this snowflake. The snowflake is made out of wood, but it's got some metal detailing on it, which I really like. I also found some green velvet ribbon for just $2. And I found this. Oh, I love this. It's actually a wall hanging because it has a hanger here, wall decor, but I don't know what I'm going to use it for and how I'm going to style it. But I will. I love it. Then I found this wreath. It's not just a wreath. It's got 4 antlers in it. So it's made on the antlers. It's unbelievable. You don't find antlers that cheap. I paid $9 for this wreath, but I got 4 antlers. Amazing. So I can use it as a wreath, but I will definitely take out the antlers and use it separately as a wreath. So this was my haul, plus a few little things here and there. We're going to remove all the fall decor and start working on this. Ooh, it's a cold, snowy morning. I am thinking of doing my front porch today for Christmas. So let's see if I can do it fast enough and not get frozen. I am using my grandchildren's shovel because it's easier, just a quick little bit. Now we have to do the inside foyer. So let's start this. Let's do the rugs before the wreath. So this wreath I'm going to put on this door, and this I made with that thrifted trumpet that I bought a little while ago. So I have laid out the garland here. This garland is going on this banister. I'm planning to have two clusters, one cluster here and one cluster up there. So let's get going. So I'm almost ready. My foyer is done, living room is done, Christmas tree is done. Just this window in the living room on this side, I have to finish that, and I have to finish the fireplace, and I'll do that along with you. Also, I have made a huge centerpiece as always. I did not film it because you guys have seen me do a huge centerpiece before for my dining table. And the table setting I will do when I come back. I am traveling. I'm going to Dubai just for 10 days, and I'll be back before Christmas. So I'll do the rest of the stuff before that. Along the way, I'll give you a few glimpses in Dubai. Dubai is beautiful during Christmas season. It just shimmers and shines. So I'll give you a little glance at that as well. So that's it. Let's get started. I am first going to do my nativity here. Okay, so now I'm going to do the garland. Here is a quick glimpse of our dining table centerpiece. I still have to do a few things to it, but I'll do them later. This is real cedar plant from the side of our house. So I put foam underneath so it can be watered. Look at these. These are vintage napkin rings, snowman napkin rings. We found them at an auction, and I am planning to use these for the kids. So we have quite a few kids in our family. We have 10 kids from the ages of 10 to 2. And we usually lay this big table for the kids first, and then we lay it again the second time for the adults. So we have double shift. So I'm planning to use these for the children and these ones for the adults. I'm hopeful that they will not break these because these are porcelain. Well, hopefully not. So the hutch is ready as well, but I have to do a few things, just hang a little bit of garland on the sides, which I will do on my return. Otherwise, it's mostly done. So you guys have a safe holiday season. Enjoy the snow, enjoy your shopping, and have a great Christmas. But I will see you before that. Bye.